Oh, Andrew. Don't cry, don't cry. Hi. No. I'm like shaking right now. Hi.
Hi. Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. You look great. Oh. What do you think?
I'm amazing. I know.
Oh, Andrew. Oh. Oh, you cried.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise.
Madison, from the moment our paths crossed in the hospital, I knew my life was about to change in the most extraordinary way. Your beautiful smile, your joyful laugh, your kind heart, your quirky dances, and off-tone singing has only deepened my love and admiration for you. Madison, you're my best friend, my soulmate, the mother of my dogs, and my true love. You inspire me constantly, and you push me to be better in every way. You have so much grace and walk with so much love in your heart. I'm so grateful to be your husband, and I look forward to every moment we will share together. Madison, I love you more than words can express, and I'm yours now and forever.
Andrew, through your love, you have showed me that home isn't just four walls or a city. Home is a hotel room, a car on an open road, or a seat on a plane. I realize it doesn't matter where we are because home is where you are. This is because when I look at you, I see love and joy. I see my favorite part of my past, and I see every day for the rest of my life. You are all I ever hoped for and nothing I ever expected. You showed me how beautiful it is to love and be loved, and I'll forever be grateful for this. I love you.
Now may the love which has brought you together continue to grow and enrich your lives. May you meet with courage any problems which arise to challenge you. May your marriage be one of ever-growing depth and meaning. May you always respect the uniqueness of each other. May you always encourage each other. May your communication be clear and honest, and may your relationship always be one of love and trust. May the happiness you share today be with you always, and may every word you have pledged here be a living truth in your lives. Andrew, you may kiss the bride. Everybody please rise and put your hands together as we introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Bices.
Now introducing the newlyweds. Let's go. Let's bring them out.
Maddie gives off this light that makes everyone around her glow. I learned she was the most bubbly, confident, and warm-hearted person that I have ever come across.
She's fiercely loyal, and she loves the people closest to her with all that she has. She's beautiful, she's brilliant, and she's successful, but she's always humble. And luckily for Andrew, she keeps him humble too.
Andrew, you have always been an extraordinary friend. We've had our laughs, our adventures, and our unforgettable moments.
One thing stands out about Andrew above all else. his unwavering love and commitment to those he cares about. Andrew's got a big heart, which he shares with only those that are close with him. In Madison, you found a man who at his core is kind and grateful. Together, you make a stunning match, and Andrew and Madison, we couldn't be happier for the both of you.
Madison and Andrew, you're beautifully suited to one another. Your love for each other is impossible to miss. You show a fearless commitment to one another through all of life's ups and downs. Cheers to Madison and Andrew.